Today's July 31st. We're here with my honey babe peach tree. It's a miniature, and it's my I bonsaied it to keep it compact. Basically, today's a harvesting day. I've been keeping my eye on this to make sure the birds don't eat it, but it's a good time to pick it. You don't want to pick the peach too early, but this is ready to go. You can see how heavy it is right there. It's kind of breaking itself off the branch, but I'm glad the bird didn't notice. These are under some of the leaves, so the birds won't get them, but they do ripen a little bit later. They're actually a little soft. It's just, so I guess what I'm saying is they don't develop that red blush, but they are ripe. So let's taste it to see if there is a difference in their flavor with the blush of color. Does it make a difference in how sweet the peach tastes? So what I like to do is I like to twist it gently right here. Very beautiful, nice size, I would say medium size peach, not small. Miniature means the tree and the growing habit, doesn't mean the fruit is miniature. So let's take a quick bite while we look at the other peach over there. Look at that beauty. So it's just like the peach in the market. I really like it. And why I think this is ready to go, because when I touch it, it does feel a little bit soft to the touch, but let's try it. Okay, so I twisted it. Oh, this is even bigger than the other one. Look how fat this one is. Compare. This is really big size. Look, my God, look at that beauty. Oh my God. So let's take a bite. My goodness, this is a beautiful peach. The size is great. It is a sexy looking peach. Let me see on the third one. So this tree in the spring, it did produce a lot of, that's not ready, of fruits. I would say a good 60 or so fruits. But I picked them off. I just kept just a few, just because the tree, they're very compacted, and I wanted to, you know, I guess I feel bad for the small tree. It is in a pot. It's not in the ground. So I picked them off, and I kept only a few. But I wanted to show you that with my Nectar Z and my Honey Babe, I really like them both just the same, and they do taste different. They definitely do, but obviously they are both very good, and I'm so glad I grew this variety. This is definitely a keeper. I hope you guys enjoy this quick video to see about my Honey Babe peach.